Good morning, Dennis and Dan. So I had read an email from Dennis. He had a question pertaining to the new HMI screen and touch controls. So I'm just going to give you a quick little video of what your system will do.
First thing we'll do is go to the weld data screen. This is where you can enter your weld length, your drive delay, and your burn back. If you want more information on any of those as to how you enter the weld length or what the parameters are, you can hit info. It'll describe the function of that button. Same thing goes for the drive delay and the burn back. Any of those you have questions in, you have an information screen. Next we'll go to the control screen. Control screen, you can enter your weld speed and your wire speed. The values are 10 to 100. You can raise your torch, you can lower your torch. Turn the weld off, turn the weld on. Purge gas, inch your wire in reverse, inch your wire in forward, and jog forward. Jog is actually letting you run the wire out at whatever your wire speed is set at. That can be helpful in the setup man, so he can measure how many inches of wire he has and calculate his wire speed in inches per minute. If you hold the inch forward more than 3 seconds, we will assume you want to go fast because you're changing a roll. So after 3 seconds, the inch will go to high speed. You have 3 modes here. We'll start with auto. In auto mode, you clamp it. Tailstock is going to close. Torches will come down. It'll start welding automatically. Semi-automatic mode, you clamp it. Torch will come down. And then we'll wait for the operator to hit start. It gives you a last chance to make sure everything's aligned. Once he hits starts, it'll weld completely, unclamp, torch will go up. Manual mode, everything is one at a time. You clamp it to close the tailstock, raise and lower the torch with these buttons. Everything is one step at a time. Even the start, you're going to have to hit the start button in manual. Then we can go back to the status screen. This is the screen that's intended for the operator to be in. When every one of these yellow bars is green, you know you're in full automatic mode and running. They'll tell you the status. Right now, you can see that the torch is up. You can see the tailstock is not clamped. You can see the weld mode is manual and the weld is off. We go here and do a couple of changes. When you get back to that status screen, you'll see we've let the operator know what those changes are. And that basically is the operation of this. There's one more thing I'll explain. If we go down to this last configure screen, Allen Bradley makes you put this in the screen in case you need a technician, something deeper in. You guys really have no reason to be in here, so I give you an exit button. I would suggest you just exit and don't use that screen. Again, it has to be in there, but it wouldn't be for everyday use.
All right, gentlemen, enjoy your machine. Any questions, by all means, call me at your convenience, and appreciate your business.